Precast Manufacturing Company, Premco. Precast Manufacturing Company Premco is Saudi Arabia's and the Gulf premier precast and pre-stressed concrete and GRC manufacturer. Premco meets the increasing demand of precast and pre-stressed concrete products, which results from the current construction boom. Premco range of products includes pre-stressed hollow core slabs, pre-stressed double T slabs, precast concrete panels, wall frame systems, GRC products, lightweight aquatic partitions, artificial stone products, and prefabricated bathroom pods, which we now produce for the first time in the region since 2003. Ready-to-use bathroom units in solid construction are an economical and time-saving alternative to conventional method of building bathrooms in housing projects like apartment buildings, townhouses and villas, hotels, hospitals and office buildings. Our state-of-the-art technology system helps with the planning and design. The plans are finished. Production can begin. The concrete bathroom shell is made in this concrete casting mold, which can be set in any bathroom size required. The distance between the outside wall and the core of the mold can be also adjusted. The rebar cage is fixed outside of each mold. The electrical conduits, boxes and mechanical openings and recesses are fixed on the steel cage. Then the steel cage is fixed on the mold, and after the final checking, the mold is closed and the concrete pouring starts. After only 6 hours of drying time, using steam curing, the machine can be opened and the finished concrete is taken out. As you can see, spaces of bathroom doors have been left during casting. If windows are needed, suitable openings can be made by making adjustments when setting the machine. The floor is cast once the shell is being installed on a special platform. Naturally, the thickness of the floor can also be varied as necessary to take account of the slope required. The shell is finished. Bathroom bod is ready for finishings. Ready-to-use bathrooms from Premco prefabricated bathroom bods are not only attractive but are also extremely economical and of an ample advantage for buildings and properties developers. Compared to the conventionally built bathrooms, up to 60% of the cost can be saved. And this is coupled with a reduction in construction time up to 95%. The bathrooms are ready for transportation. Bathroom bods are loaded on to waiting truck. 3 or 4 such bathrooms can be transported per truck. Ready-to-use bathrooms from Premco prefabricated bathroom bods. Perfect in design, individual choice of fittings, flexible in dimensions, firm and strong, light in weight, fabricated from lightweight concrete, reduction in buildings loads, hence more economical structure. eliminates the need for trades at job site. Early completion of projects, that is, early return of investment.